How to make low quality video on CapCut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make low quality video on CapCut. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is make sure that you have the updated version of CapCut. After you do that, what you can then do is open up your CapCut. Make sure you're logged in into your account if you have a CapCut account. After that, you can simply start a new project or open a project on from your projects here. So you can see my drafts. I'll just open one video from here. So after you open up a project in your device, what you can then do is edit all you like, edit it. That's completely up to you. And when you're about to export it, there you'll see an option called Ultra HD. If you tap on that option, it'll pop this up right here. Now, all you have to do is decrease the resolution for your video, decrease the frame rate for your video, and also the code rate. After you decrease all of that, you can then export the video, and the video will ultimately be a really low quality one as the resolution is also at the lowest, including the frame rate and the code rate. And that's basically how you can make a really low quality video on CapCut. And that's basically all for today's video as well, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.